In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the strategy you could do to earn money. Now, you've probably seen YouTube Shorts lately, but how can you get started with making YouTube Shorts without having to make the videos yourself, and how are you going to profit from them? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step tutorial on how to make money with YouTube Shorts. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. So the very first step with this strategy is to find videos that will actually go viral. Now if you take a look over here, we searched up funny dog videos, and I'm actually giving you a niche that works right now. These videos are getting millions of views. Just imagine how many views you can get with your YouTube Shorts, especially since YouTube is pushing that platform right now and millions of views equal to hundreds and thousands of dollars. So what we're going to do today is actually model the aspects of these long-form videos, the funny aspects of them, but we're going to condense it into a short video which you can upload into Shorts. And don't worry, you don't have to make any of the videos yourself. I'm going to show you exactly where you can get them for free. Now let's check out this channel right here, Funny Animals Life. I'm going to go ahead and click on that video and it's going to take you over here. What we're going to do is grab videos like this from non-copyright sources, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. Now just to give you perspective on how much that channel is earning, Funny Animals Life is earning about this amount per month and this amount per year. Comment down below what you would do with this big amount of money coming into your account. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this type of money, but without using Google AdSense, because unfortunately, YouTube Shorts does not pay out with Google AdSense. You cannot monetize your YouTube Shorts yet. They are probably going to enable monetization for YouTube Shorts later on down the road, but for now, they're not running on any ads in front of those videos. Therefore, there's no revenue for the creator. So how are we going to monetize it? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, and I'm going to prove to you that short videos are getting millions of views in this particular niche. So what I did was I went to filters, and I went to videos under 4 minutes, and that's going to pull up some short videos here. As you can see, these are regular videos right here, 3 minutes long. Short videos are less than a minute. So we're going to scroll down, and this video right here got millions of views. So that's proof right there that a funny dog video got millions of views. We're going to track that number to calculate how much money we could potentially make with the strategy that I'm going to give you that doesn't involve Google AdSense. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. What we're going to do is a different strategy. So the very first thing we need to do is actually get funny dog videos that are copyright free. What I want you to do is go over here to pexels.com. This is a stock image and video website where you can use these images and videos copyright free. You can upload them to your channel, you could put them on your website, and you could do whatever you want with them. Now what I'm going to do is search for funny dogs, and that's going to pull you over here. We're going to select videos because we need videos. So we're going to select from over these wide selections of videos right here. Click on that, and you can scroll down and see which videos you think are funny. So just click on whichever video that you have chosen and download it. Next, we have to make this video have a call to action because we are going to be using a special link that's going to allow us to get paid. So we're going to go over here to Canva, search mobile video, and then create a blank mobile video. Then you're going to drag that video right over here into Canva. Then you're going to size it appropriately to fit into a mobile phone. So we're going to do that, and then we can add some text. And what we will do is add some text like, click the link below, and that's our call to action to get people to click the link below this video. They're going to be curious about what the link is about. In fact, you could give them a preview. I'm going to show you in just a second what we're going to be monetizing with, so we're going to put that there. Click the link below. You could even add an arrow if you want. Now we have a call to action, and we have our video that's under a minute long. Now we can download that to our computer and then upload it to our channel, but first what we need to do is actually get the monetization piece. So, we're going to come over here to a site called clickbank.com. You've probably heard of it. It's an affiliate network where you can go and sell other people's products and get a commission. So they actually have a product on here, and I'm going to log into mine and search for dogs. And they have a product called Best Training for Dogs, a unique dog training course. Easy sell, and for every sale we get for this dog training course, we are going to get paid. So just imagine if we got half of those million views. So I'm going to do 8 million views. Okay, that's correct. I'm going to multiply that. I'm going to take 0.001% of that, which is 800 people. Let's just imagine those people will purchase this dog training. We're going to multiply that by, let's see, $31 here. That's $24,800 in profit from one YouTube short video. So as you can see, views are powerful, and that is how all these YouTube creators are making money, not just from Google AdSense, but also for actually monetizing a product. So if you get those views, you have to take advantage of it and lead people to a product that's beneficial to them. That's exactly how we're going to monetize. Now we can go ahead and grab our little link right here. This will be our affiliate link. Click on promote, and then we come over here to our YouTube channel and we upload the video. As you can see, I have the video already uploaded. Put in a title with the hashtag shorts since we are doing short videos, and then of course, don't forget to put your link on the description. Something like, click here for crazy dog brain training. And if anyone clicks that, you'll automatically get a commission from that link. So that is exactly how to monetize with shorts right now since they don't have Google AdSense attached. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.